I find a lot of women, 4'9" to 5'2", buy a lot of this scissor.
It's also called the glove. Because it basically fits anyone's hand perfectly. It is a very, very interesting looking shear, but I think one of the biggest selling...
Give that to John Mosley, it won't fit his hand.
I bet you it will, bro. I bet you I can make it fit his hand.
Some Crisco?
Oh, God. The biggest thing about this shear is one thing and one thing only, and it has a removable tang. It's the only one of our premium line shears that has a removable tang. And sometimes you're just gonna run into that stylist. It's like, I cannot have a tang. This is the shear for them. The other nice thing is that it does come in 3 sizes. It comes in a 5.5-inch precision cutting shear, a 6-inch workhorse, and a 6.5-inch scissor over comb shear for someone who just prefers a little bit of a longer shear. One of the big things is sometimes people are looking for a super comfortable handle, but a short blade. Usually a lot of times what happens when you get with a shorter blade, you have a smaller handle. It's just science. But with this particular shear, you still have that large, comfortable handle, the glove, that is accompanied by a smaller shear. So just for example, this is a 6-inch shear. This is a 6-inch shear. If we hold both of these blades next to each other, this blade is longer. This is going to be really nice for those people who are looking for that super comfortable handle, but they're still looking for a smaller blade that's going to allow them to do those precision sections that they like doing in hair cutting. Some people are just always going to gravitate to a smaller blade always.